Use these tips to help with diabetes. Are you living with diabetes? Diabetes does not have to be the debilitating disease that some make it out to be. You can have a normal life and have diabetes at the same time. Follow our tips on how to make the most out of your life with diabetes. Diabetics must visit their doctor regularly to keep tabs on their blood sugar, weight, and medications. Your physician might know of a new treatment that could be useful to you, or see something in your blood work that indicates there is a problem. Having your doctor weigh you will also give you an accurate measurement of how well you're keeping your weight under control. Green tea is an excellent tool for the diabetic who is attempting to lose weight. Studies show it helps your heart to stay healthy, and it's so tasty that you won't want to add any sweeteners to it. You can also use powdered matcha in cooking, and it's great with cocoa. A great way to manage diabetes naturally, without having to rely on medications, is to get plenty of exercise. By exercising regularly, you will burn calories, which will result in a healthy weight. Exercising will also help your body respond to insulin, which is key to controlling diabetes. Exercise also helps improve your body's circulation, which is another issue that diabetics usually face. Overall, exercise is an important factor in controlling diabetes. Treat yourself to a leg and foot massage once in a while to keep your circulation pumping. Diabetes causes peripheral neuropathy, which can be painful and not reversible. Have your spouse put some lotion on your calves and give you a soothing rub to relieve your stress and help your feet stay healthy. If you're diabetic, beware coupons. Most coupons to be found are often for items that aren't healthy, like pop, crackers, or chips. Do not use a coupon just because you have it. You might save 50 cents today, but the cost of medications to deal with an obesity-related illness later will add up to much more. As you can see, it is possible to live a happy life even if you have diabetes. Living with diabetes is all what you make it, and you can make the best out of it. By following our tips, you will learn how to lead a happy life, thus making the best of your health limitations. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.